1002 Barracuda in Bay Point,
Yes.
Panama City Beach, Florida.
To make it more specific, 1002 Barracuda Drive.
There you go. All right, you guys, let's get to this tour.
Sean, we are in a home that's quite special to me.
Okay.
This is a for sale by owner, and the owner has allowed us to do a, help me out here.
On this channel, you guys may have seen that we do a buyer's agent preview walkthrough. So, good friend of Libby's, you were telling me your daughter played here a lot?
Katie, my daughter, played here when she was a little bitty thing, 4 or 5 years old.
So some sentimental memories are going to be coming back as we do this home tour?
Very much so. Martha, who is the owner of this house, and her husband, Bobby, but Martha is the most wonderful lady and mother you have ever seen. And she took my daughter, Katie, and another friend, Patrick, out for Halloween. She did all the fun things that I was a little too busy to do. So this is a real special place.
Okay, well, let's keep those memories flowing as we do this home tour.
Okay.
And we're going to start here in the kitchen.
Well, it's been totally remodeled, Sean, and all new appliances. And I'm not real sure what this is, but it looks like, what would you call this?
It looks like quartz to me.
Yeah,
it
does to me as well. But
the material
it's certainly an upgrade.
Absolutely.
And we are looking now at the family room with a fireplace. It is a 4-bedroom, 3-bath home on the golf course.
Oh, yeah.
And for many who are not aware of this, the golf courses have been sold, and they, I'm not sure whether it's been closed, but I know it's due to be closed any day now. So that is good for all the Bay Point residents here. And this is on a street off of Marlin Circle.
Let's look at this bedroom here.
Okay, this is the 4th bedroom downstairs.
Okay. So we got a view from the window here. And this actually has a bathroom off of it.
Yes, it does.
So we got our vanity there, and then a shower over on the other side. And before we move on, it looks like it connects to the laundry room, but I wanted to point out that there's this closet here in the room as well. We're going to be very thorough on this walkthrough video for you guys.
And you know, Sean, if you look around, it's very, I won't say plain, but you can add any color you want to make it yours.
Yeah, it's a nice blank canvas.
Yes, it is.
So here we have the laundry room that connects to the bathroom there, and then also 2-car garage. And it looks like an exterior door.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
And I always love having the garage floor painted. It just looks so much nicer.
Absolutely. All right, let's go back into the home. And here is the front entry.
And a formal living room. Actually, this 2,000 square feet has a lot in it. It has, you know, living room and den, as well as a separate dining area, which you will see here. All new light fixtures, all of them are amazing. And look at these modern fans, I love.
So this was the dining area that you were just mentioning. I love how you can see the natural foliage outside through the window.
Yes.
And then it does connect back to the kitchen there.
Yes, and if you can become friends with your next door neighbor, you have a great chef over there.
Oh yeah.
Cooks wonderful food.
Nice. Let's take a jump upstairs.
All right. Are you going to take me to the master first? Oh, wow. Skylight?
That's just looking down to, what is that, the living room? What'd you call that?
The formal living room.
Okay.
Yes.
So where are we headed to now?
Well, I'm following you this time. So this must be one of the guest rooms. Actually, it's been many years since I've been in here because my daughter's now 41 and it's been 30 plus years since she was over here playing with Martha's son, Aaron, who has been in a few movies in California. Not A+ movies, but he's been in a few movies. He is an absolute doll. So.
You want to take us down
Absolutely.
through the rest here?
Yes. We have another new bathroom that shares with the second guest bedroom upstairs.
Bedroom number 2 upstairs.
Two guest bedrooms up, one down, and let's go into the master.
Wow, great views.
Yes, it is. And when the new owners of the golf courses fix everything up, it's going to be fantastic.
It's already stunning. I can't
Yes.
wait to see it in just a short, hot minute.
Yes. Let me step out of your way so you can come in.
You were fine. Then a private bath here. One detail that I really enjoy about this is the yours and mine closets. We got one right here.
Mm-hmm.
And if we were to continue going straight towards the closet and hang a right, we have another area to share. Libby, can we go check out the backyard real quick?
You mean outside?
Yes.
Walk out, back?
Yes.
You and me.
please. That would be wonderful.
I can do that. Do you want to go in front or
We'll
do I
meet
have
you
to go in
guys.
front?
We'll meet everyone down there. All right, so we just came out the...
Can you get the chirping birds?
Oh yeah.
Listen. You can tell it is almost springtime.
Sing for us. Wonderful.
Did you get a picture of this?
Yep. Let's go pop out front right now.
Okay. Do I need to be in this or out?
I don't know.
Well,
what would you
say-
prefer?
I will tell you. I have sold this house,
Yeah.
that house,
Let's check out the neighborhood.
most of these on this street.
Those of you that know Libby, you know that she's sold everything in Bay Point at least once.
But I'm not bragging. I'm just saying. Just saying.
So here's your front yard. And Libby, if one of the viewers right now has some questions about this property, can they contact you?
I would love it if you would contact Sean or myself.
Well, we'll go ahead and leave our contact information down below, and we appreciate you guys watching.
But I would like to say one other thing. The owner of this house is a great lady and gentleman, and she's one of the sweetest ladies I've ever met. So anyway, that's all I need to say about her, except that I love her dearly.
And we would love to show this home to you guys in person. If you just can't get enough, go ahead and give us a call. Don't forget to hit the like button,
And
the subscribe button,
and
and we'll catch you guys on the next one.
yes, we'll do that.
We love having fun making these videos for you guys. Go ahead and leave a comment and let us know what you love about this home, and we will catch you next time. Bye for now.